Check it. Data visualization is a very important aspect when it comes to anything data. This is because it really helps to simplify very complex information. And presenting it visually enables data-driven decision making, which really assists in making quick and very informed insights. I actually saw a very good example of data visualization being presented by people being represented as grains of rice. This video that I will show you accurately represents this specific point that I'm talking about. Watch it.
This is how many people order from McDonald's every single day in the UK. And this is how many Deliveroo drivers there are that are in your way. So one rice equals one person. So you are probably in here somewhere, divided into these little piles accordingly. So this is how many people who ever walked on the moon. And that's Michael Jackson. Yee! Now that you understand the scale, let's get into it. So this is how many billionaires there were in 1987 compared to now. This is how many people died on the Titanic compared to how many people made the dangerous crossing to the UK in small boats last year. So yes, some of these are pretty heavy. This is how many refugees in the UK from Ukraine, Slava Ukraini, and this is how many people die each year from poor water sanitation. The geniuses who put this together are incredibly precise about how they do this because there is no messing around on how many people bought tickets for Barbie and Oppenheimer on opening weekend. Pardon the pun, but all of this really is food for thought. It's really hard to visualize such big numbers, and this is a brilliant way of doing it. For example, this really blew my mind of how many people lost their homes in the flooding in Pakistan in 2022. This is the amount of people that waited more than 12 months for treatment back in 2019 compared to now, employees of Greg's, people who climbed Everest. Oh, one of those rice there is Elton John compared to his adoring fans at Glastonbury. My personal favourite, the Women's World Cup final. And look, you can even see the little rice players on the pitch. Well done, ladies. No pain, no grain.